The 23rd Circuit Court of Oscoda County, Michigan of Judge Cassandra Morse Bills has restricted a medical marijuana patient from medicating. This shocking decision goes directly against the Michigan Supreme Court's decision in the People v. Thew 2021. In the decision, the court definitively ruled that the legal use of medical marijuana cannot be banned as a part of probation and cannot be used to violate or introduce a penalty in any manner to a medical marijuana cardholder. The patient here is First Amendment auditor and YouTuber DeFacto of DeFacto Media Group. DeFacto became an auditor after experiencing police misconduct and has alleged retaliation over the last year from the same county. The restriction on medical marijuana use comes as a condition for bond set by Judge Morse Bills. This comes after 6 months of incarceration accused of possessing illegal body armor in which DeFacto wore a tactical vest, which holds all of his filming equipment. However, the vest is Rothko 1922 and did not have any armor plates whatsoever and was even confiscated by police as body armor. Quite simply, there is no body armor and never was any body armor. It seems this is just more retaliation for a bad review and for exercising the First Amendment.
Better help yourself out. I kind of recommend removing that Facebook post.
Let's face it, should an officer really be advising a civilian to remove a negative Facebook review in order to help themselves out? Should a law enforcement officer who is the arresting officer in a case contact the alleged perpetrator off-duty and harass them on social media? This is Deputy Pete Meyer of Oscoda County Sheriff Department. There is clear evidence of harassment by this officer toward DeFacto. Now this very officer is involved in the ongoing malicious prosecution for the vest that wasn't body armor. Here, the 23rd Circuit Court is actually restricting an innocent man from medically prescribed medication, which goes directly against our great nation's Constitution and many court rulings on the specific issue. Add in the prosecution of a man for the simple possibility that he could have committed a crime is absurd. There is no evidence at all of body armor. In fact, the vest itself in evidence is not body armor. It should be noted that after a search of DeFacto's home, property and vehicle, absolutely no body armor or weapons were found. The police confiscated all of DeFacto's filming equipment and cameras, even his laptop used for video editing. It's quite clear what's going on here, yet it continues to happen. In a preliminary hearing, DeFacto representing himself asked the deputy if he saw body armor and saw DeFacto wearing it. The deputy confirmed he never actually saw body armor, despite what he said in the police report used to establish probable cause. DeFacto was incarcerated over 200 days for this charge. His home was completely trashed and his pets were left to suffer and die. There are others in Oscoda County that have a story, and there is a serious problem that needs to be at the very least investigated. The malicious prosecution continues and DeFacto is currently awaiting trial. DeFacto is seeking legal representation both for the ongoing criminal prosecution as well as future civil litigation for malicious prosecution and deprivation of rights. Please don't hesitate to reach out to DeFacto Media Group at defactomediagroup@gmail.com. Thank you for your time and for listening. Please like and subscribe to stay updated on the ongoing situation, and please share the story.